Hello, Mr. Story. Hello, class. This is Alberto Montes for CPM 1606, week 3. I'm going to briefly go over this week's assignment. And I'd like to say ahead of time that I've had the flu this week, so please forgive my manner of speaking. I'm a little groggy, under medication, and I haven't slept much. So if I make more mistakes than usual, that's why. But let's go over the application. The first thing is validation. So you'll see if we try and create an account, let's put something that's not proper email structure and try and log in or register, excuse me. It'll say please enter the proper email format. So let's say the at it.com, and now let's only put 1, 2, 3. And it's going to let us know we need to conform to the proper standards for our password. And that will be the only way to get things to pass through. And also, if you try and move on without typing anything in, we'll get a toast. So there was a lot of error handling on the hard-coded Java side of things in the application, such as using the built-in Android implementation to check for proper email structures, and then a lot of if-else's looking to make sure fields are filled, they have the right amount of characters, proper formats. So next is network detection. So you'll see on the login screen, if we turn off our network, we get a toast, no connection, and our buttons are disabled, so we can't do anything. And that's basically the theme throughout the rest of the application. If we gain our connection back, you'll notice the buttons get their, they will no longer be disabled. That goes throughout the application. I'll show you a bit more of that over here as we get into synchronization. I'm going to log in to an active account with some data. We needed to complete our CRUD by adding update. As you can see that our data matches the database right here, so let's go to update. We made a mistake, Beto is really Beth. And you also notice that we only get a number keypad for the phone number, which helps with our validation. And when we submit, it immediately updates. I briefly show you too that I added some validation on the back end of things and a little bit of security also. It wasn't required, but it just helped a little bit. Along with synchronization, you'll see down here that my server is being pulled every 20 seconds. It's making sure the data in the database matches the data within the application, and if it doesn't, it will replace anything within the UI that was found in the snapshot that does not exist in the application. The very last thing I'll show you is how we handle data connection here. You see these are grayed out. Since we have no data connection, we can't use them. And you'll notice as soon as Wi-Fi comes back in the status bar that they will be available again. So that's it for this week, guys. I hope everyone had a good week. Thank you, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.